Infoco presents 10 Bad Foods to Avoid. Unhealthy foods to avoid are food items that have little or no nutritional value. Most unhealthy foods undoubtedly can taste better, but one should keep control over them. There are the 10 food items that we will talk about that you should be careful and rethink the next time you eat. 1. Sugar. Sugar is a complete source of empty calories as it have 100% of energy and no other nutrient. The desirable way to consume sugar is through diet, as it occurs naturally in fruits, vegetables, dry fruit, milk and milk product. Cut down on sweets, candies, chocolates, soft drinks, fruit juices, biscuits. Sugar should be consumed in moderation. 2. Caffeine. Coffee is the major source of caffeine. Coffee beans are grown with the use of pesticides and herbicides that are toxic in nature. Caffeine is also found in chocolates, colas and other soft drinks, so better to avoid them. Some signs of caffeine problems are headache, depression, insomnia, high blood pressure, fatigue, etc. 3. Soft drinks. Soft drinks are bad for health due to sugar and caffeine content. Eliminate intake of soft drinks from diet by replacing them with herbal teas, lemon water or just water. They only provide us with extra laden calories. 4. Refined foods. Refined foods and processed foods are made with no or very less amount of fiber content. Lack of fiber in diet leads to constipation, sluggish bowels, and in worst cases it can also lead to colon cancer. A whole food diet with plenty of veggies and fruits provides sufficient of fiber. 5. Saturated fats. Excessive saturated fat intake can lead to obesity, increased cholesterol levels, which further lead to heart-related problems and a host of other disorders. All fried foods, fatty meats, desi ghee, comes under saturated fat. Bland food which has less oil and spices is hardly palatable, so people jump towards the rich, spicy and oily foods which gives them taste and palatability. 6. Animal protein. Although animal protein like fish, egg, dairy products, chicken provide the complete source of protein which is good for health, but in excess it can be harmful. Most popular source of animal fats like cheese, full-fat milk, ghee, red meat, beef can cause a lot of damage to one's health. 7. Salt. Salt is essential nutrient required by body which help to regulate its fluid balance, maintain heart rhythm, conduct nerve impulses and contract muscle. For a body requirement, about a quarter teaspoon of table salt is required. High amount of salt intake can lead to hypertension. High sodium foods are canned and tinned foods, pickled meat, highly salted breakfast cereals, buns, cakes, pastries, packed soups, sauces, etc. 8. Cooking oils. Use refined oils in place of desi ghee. Using 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil daily is enough for the necessary body function. Keep your oils on rotation. Don't reuse the oils as they increase the risk of heart disease and produce free radicals in the body. 9. Alcohol. Too much alcohol will cause dehydration, irritability, headaches, etc. Don't have a drink with an empty stomach, as it will lead to empty calories. Always eat something with a drink. Social drinking within limits is not harmful, but it is the problem of alcoholism that can be hazardous. 10. Junk food. French fries, burgers, chips, pizzas, etc. are the hot favorite amongst the current generation. They provide you only with plenty of calories which will automatically lead to weight gain. One of the main reasons for obesity and child obesity is junk food intake. Apart from these elements, factors such as unhealthy cooking conditions and inadequate quality checks add to the hazardous nature of fast food or junk food.